Well, have you used a Zippo to do it?
The Zippo?
Yeah. You know the oil lighter?
Ah, the Zippo.
Yeah, those are horrible. This case, like, well, no, it's quite nice. Case the gas. Yeah, I really like the pictures you sent on Facebook.
Photo with camera.